Cold-pressed oils, Part 3. Keep in mind that cold-pressed oils are less processed and contain more nutrients and antioxidants than refined oils. It is also important to store them properly in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation and rancidity. Let's get to know some more of these oils. Cold-pressed argan oil. This oil is extracted from the seeds of the argan tree and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, making it beneficial for skin, hair, and nails. Cold-pressed grapeseed oil. This oil is extracted from the seeds of grapes and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid believed to help maintain skin and heart health. Cold-pressed almond oil. This oil is extracted from almonds and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants, which makes it beneficial for the skin and hair. If you liked this information and you think it can also be useful to someone else, do not hesitate to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.